So this is the last topic of your unit 6, that is 3D computer graphics tools. So before starting, let me introduce you what is 3D computer graphics. We have seen 3D transformations in computer, right, and for graphics purpose. So in short, we'll see what is 3D computer graphics. Now 3D computer graphics, we can see in contrast to 2D computer graphics. Actually, let me tell you first what is 2D computer graphics. We have did these things already, but let's revise once. 2D computer graphics are computer based generation, right? Computer based generation of digital images, mostly for two-dimensional models such as 2D geometric models, text and digital images, and various techniques specifying them. Now the word may stand for the, we can say, in computer graphics basically it comprises of techniques such as such as modeling and all. In 2D computer graphics, a main application is to it is mainly applicable for printing, drawing technologies such as typography, technical drawing, advertising, right? So all this comes under 2D computer graphics. Now what is 3D computer graphics? 3D computer graphics, mm, in versus to 2D computer graphics, we can say that basically it uses three-dimensional representation of any geometric data that is stored in the computer for the purpose of like performing calculations and rendering any 2D image. Such images may obviously be later displaced or revealed, or maybe time or real time viewing. Now in 3D computer graphics rely on the same algorithm as 2D computer vector graphics, and we can also say that in computer graphics software the distinction between 2D and 3D is very thin, because we know that any 2D object is always displayed on any 3D object or model is always displayed on a 2D screen, right? So main 2D applications and techniques are always used for 3D. Then 3D computer graphics, we can always say that it is rendered as 3D model. The model is contained with the graphical data files. A 3D model is actually a mathematical representation of any 3D dimensional object, right? So this is 3D computer graphics. Then 3D computer graphics tools which are available. So do you know what is the requirement of 3D tools? Obviously to perform 3D transformations or 3D graphic launching, right? We can say that 3D computer graphics softwares refers to programs used to create 3D, we can say 3D computer generated images, then 3D modelers. The medical industry also uses to create detailed models of the organs, right, for testing and for to viewing the students. Then the movie industry uses these tools to create and manipulate characters. The science sector uses them to create detailed model of chemical compounds. Then 3D computer graphic tools are also used in engineering community to design new vehicles, structures. Then there are typical many stages in the pipeline that studies and manufacture and used to create 3D objects, as we have seen for film, games, production of hard goods and structure. So we'll see what are the available best 3D computer graphics tools. First is Autodesk 3D Max. Originally it was called as 3D Studio Max. So 3D Max is used in many industries that utilizes 3D graphics. It is used in video game industry and for developing modeling and creating cinemas, cutscenes, etc. It is used in architectural visualization now because it is highly compatible with AutoCAD. also developed by Autodesk. So 3D Max is available for Windows. Then next is Cinema 4D. It is actually a slightly, we can say, lighter package than the others in its basic configuration. The software is claimed to be artist friendly and is designed with the less technical users in mind. Cheetah 3D. Cheetah 3D, as it states, is Mac only application, and its main purpose is um, it focuses on getting the most processing power out of any your Apple based computer, and it is basically used for modeling engine. What is DAZ? Now DAZ, all this actually tools are self-explanatory. DAZ focuses on 3D animation and illustration. Then it allows you to model figures and model that were already created using other tools. Did you get it? It allows you to manipulate, that is to change the figures which were created using other tools. Now the app is an alternative to higher end tools and it's available free of charge. Then it's Maya. Next is Maya. Next tool. What is Maya? It's, we can say that it is Autodesk basically, and is currently used in film and television industry. Maya has a high learning curve, but it has developed over the years into an application platform, and like it's using various. Maya comes into two versions, like Maya Complete and Maya Unlimited. Then V-Ray, as it suggests, it's designed for photorealistic images, and it's basically a 3D rendered that integrates well with other similar tools. The main use of V-Ray is for photorealistic images.